Now trigonometric ratio of sum of three angles. Now I am writing the formulas. Number 1, sin A plus B plus C. Now what you can do it? You can just take A plus B as a single angle and then C, or you can take A as a single, B plus C, okay, and then you can expand the formula using sin A plus B, and what the result is, I am direct writing the result. It will be sin A cos B cos C minus sin A sin B sin C plus cos A sin B cos C plus cos A cos B sin C. Okay. Number 2, cos A plus B plus C is equal to cos A cos B cos C negative of cos A sin B sin C negative of sin A sin B cos C negative of sin A cos B and sin C. Number 3, tan A plus B plus C is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C negative for tan A tan B tan C divided by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. So these are the three formulas when three angles are given and summation we are finding.